Hey guys, it's Monica. I'm here today to be sharing my super easy tutorial of how to apply your own spray tan and how to make it last for weeks and weeks to come. So thank God it's finally summertime again. I feel like we have been waiting forever here in Toronto. We just started having warm weather maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it is almost the end of May. Like, it has taken so long for the winter to be over, and I could not be more thankful. I love the winter because my birthday and Christmas are in the winter, but I love summer because I love the warm weather. I love applying self-tanner because it literally makes it look like you are spending all your time in the sun and you just like live on a yacht and have this like luxurious life, when realistically as soon as I step into the sun I'm like ugh and sweating and I cannot wait to get back into the shade. So of course all of us want to be tanned for summertime, and not all of us have the patience or the want to sit in the sun and get sweaty. And personally, I hate tanning unless I'm on the beach or at the pool. Like, if I can't go and dip my body in the water and cool down, I don't want to be tanning. Like, I don't want to lay in my backyard and tan. People that know how to do that, you deserve the tanning medal of the week, because like, it feels so sticky and gross to just lay there and sweat. I sweat a lot, okay? Not the point. The thing is, getting bronzed and having that like perfect spray tan, self-tan, whatever tan, makes me feel like skinnier, and my skin looks just like glowing, and I feel overall better about myself when I have a tan. Okay, we're getting a little bit off topic here. I don't know how to stop talking sometimes. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to have a shower. I have already done that, and now I am wearing my bathing suit. You want to make sure that you get off all of the dead skin so that you don't look patchy and uneven and have the tan come off within a couple days, which is always the most annoying thing, when like you put it on and then the next day it comes off. Like, I don't want to be doing this every day if you want it to last a week or more. So the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to take off all your stuff, jewelry. You're gonna put your hair in a ponytail so that it doesn't get on your hair. I think I would be so traumatized if it got on my hair, because my hair is like white. Definitely turn orange. Right, my hair is secured. Now I'm going to take my lotion. Doesn't matter what lotion you use, honestly. You can even use coconut oil. Something that will just put a barrier on the skin and that will help it turn more even in the end. So I'm going to put my lotion on my hands. I'm going to show you how I do it on my arms. The next thing that you're going to need is your self-tanner. I personally like to use one that's a foam. I find it doesn't turn into like here is my self-tanner. And you also want to get a self-tanner glove. This is what's going to keep your hands from turning orange. It's also going to soak up some of the tanner so you don't get those like nasty ugly streaks on your arms and your legs. And your whole body, because you need to put it on your whole body for it to look even. Don't just put it on your arms, don't just put it on your legs. Okay, so I'm going to put the tanner on the glove, not on my arm. And I'm going to do like two or three squirts. Okay, I have it there, and then I'm going to put it on my arm. I'm going to start on the top of my hand, right there, and then I'm going to bring it all the way up. Nice and even. You can already see so much of a difference in my arms, holy moly. Next I'm going to do my hand. It's so important to do your hands and your fingers. I think some people forget to do it, and then you have like a white in between your fingers, or you have like white fingers and orange hands. It's easy to do it. You just literally have to make sure you don't get it on your palm, because when you get it on your palm, that's the part that makes it look like a fake tan. So I already put it on the top of my palm. Now I'm going to work on each finger. Before I put it on the glove, or else it's going to totally ruin it. Dry. Alright, so now let's get an after shot of how dark I am. I love it. I love being tanned. It's one of those things where you forget how good you look when you're it's one of those things when you self-tan that you forget how good it feels to be tanned and how much of like a game changer tanning is. Alright, so the rules for after you self-tan or get a spray tan are pretty much simple. You're going to want to try to not get your body wet for at least 24 hours. This is hardest with your hands because obviously you want to wash your hands after you take a poops or a peeps. So what I recommend is carefully washing your hands only on the palms. Wash, 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 and then try to carefully only rinse your palms. It's really hard not to get the streaks on your hands, so this is gonna sound crazy and stupid. I literally try not to go to the bathroom for like 6 to 8 hours after I self-tan. I make sure I go right before I tan, and then I don't drink anything for a couple hours after, because if you get the watermarks on your hands, it does mess up your whole tan, and you can't just patch it over and fix it. It literally stays like that until your self-tanner comes off, which is really annoying. In case that does happen to you and you just want to get your self-tanner off, what you can do is you take your exfoliating gloves, exfoliate and wash your whole body, and then you're going to take lemon juice and use lemon juice on the exfoliating gloves with a little bit of soap and then wash your body again. It should come off all the way. If it doesn't the first time, try it again with the lemon juice the second. Lemon juice is really concentrated and strong and is perfect for getting off any spray tan, any makeup, any sort of products that you put on your skin that just do not want to come off. It's actually also really good for getting off permanent marker. That's a tip to save. In case your kid ever draws permanent marker on themselves, or on you, or you just do it for yourself for some reason, you take lemon juice and you just like slowly scrub it off. Alright, so how to make your spray tan / self-tan last the longest. Don't get wet. That's obviously the first thing. Rinse your body. You don't want to scrub any parts of your body. Applying lotion is also a good tip. Applying lotion and make sure you rub the lotion into your skin is what's going to keep your spray tan from coming off and streaking and leaving you any of those weird lines that we do not want. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and hit that subscribe button. I am posting new videos weekly on blogging, beauty, and leave me a comment below of your biggest spray tan fail. I'm going to show you right now some of my favorite fails that I have found online and some of my own fails, because honestly spray tans are one of the hardest things to keep up, especially if you're really busy, especially if you have like the mindset of a goldfish like me. Sometimes I forget that I have a spray tan on and that I literally just did it, which I probably will today because I do this every time. I completely forget and I drank a ton of water or juice or whatever, and then I have to go to the bathroom and then I just like pour my hands under and then I have like what looks like white gloves on after, which is just my normal skin tone, but then I have like a tanned arm and it looks really stupid. And pro tip, stay away from water if you want to make your spray tan last long. Thanks you guys for watching my tutorial on how to apply your own spray tan at home and how to make it last for weeks and weeks.